Hello, everyone. I am Varun Patil from UCLA, and this is my talk about supporting PubSub over NDN Sync. Sync is the transport service of NDN and provides namespace synchronization. Sync informs consumers about new data produced by producers. However, it requires that the data be named using sequence numbers if it must be resilient to losses, as is evidenced by the state vector sync protocol, which we build our API on. Applications, on the other hand, need to be able to name data arbitrarily. Secondly, using sync might not be very straightforward for application developers, who are likely more familiar with communication patterns such as publish subscribe, which we want to provide over NDN as well. To do this, first we need to distribute data using arbitrary names over SVS. To achieve this, we encapsulate the application data inside a data packet named using the sync sequence number. We also segment large objects semantically using NDN conventions and sign all packets, both the encapsulated and outer data packets. With this, consumers can now learn about and fetch arbitrarily named application data using SVS, and also enforce trust policies for both the transport and the application data. Next, we build our PubSub API over this data distribution. When consumers learn about newly produced data, they know the sequence numbers of the new data through sync. Now they fetch the mapping between the sequence number and the application data using a mapping interest. Using this mapping, the consumers can now selectively fetch only the data the consumer application is subscribed to, thus providing PubSub over NDN. We then optimize this mapping retrieval to make it optional, reducing one round trip of delay. Finally, we add a low latency option to our PubSub, where consumers prefetch application data before it is produced, thus getting the data from the producer to the consumer in half RTT when it is actually produced. Thank you.